fashion, footwear, and lifestyle changes. Today's episode have a super slight, quick unboxing, nothing too crazy, in and out. And as you can see, it's a Nike box. Didn't do a good job taping it, so I can just open the tape that way. No scissors needed this time, but traditional Nike box. Inside we have a Jordan box, guys. So as you know by the title of the video, exactly what this shoe is, but here we have the Air Jordan 5 Retro in true white, fire red, and black in an 8.5. Retail price $200. So it's about $210 to $215 with tax, normal Jordan prices. So let's get right into it. Open this up. We have the typical black paper, and we have these beauties right here. So I know it's a white shoe, might be kind of washed out some in the video, but as you can see, simple clean silhouette. Got your white laces, you have a clear panel here, as well as on this side, the netting, which is clear. You have a clear lace lock right here with the red push in the normal Jordan 5 lace lock. And we have the silver metallic tongue. And then behind the tongue is the Air Jordan sign upside down, because when Michael Jordan wear his sneakers, he usually have the tongue flipped down to show his opponents his name of Air Jordan. Quick little Jordan history. Here, of course, you have the red flame, typical all 5 silhouettes. The infamous icy bottoms. You have the blue tint to them so they don't yellow as fast as the previous models of this sneaker. The shoe has came out in many iterations before, with the 23 here, with the Jumpman here, but this time you have what everybody wanted, the Nike Air. It's as close as get to the silhouette of the OG pair as possible. It's a dope sneaker, I like it a lot. Like I said, the tongue is 3M, so in reflective light, picture would go off, it'd be crazy. I think it'd be a good shoe for the summertime. It's a nice white shoe. It's not too loud, super simple, and you can kill it in the summertime, guys. You know, simple colorway, like I said, black, red, and white. Me personally, Jordan 5 colorway the actual silhouette isn't really my favorite silhouette to choose from out of the top 14, of course. But if I had to get a Jordan 5, this would be one I would get. This colorway is unmatched, super clean, go a lot of this for the summertime with the shorts, jeans, whatever you like to wear personally. It's a good shoe to have in your collection. If you do love 5s, it's a must-have in your collection. So the quick video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's super dope sneaker. This is a size 8.5, so it won't be any on foot for you guys, sadly. My apologies, it's not my size, they're for someone. Have another 8.5. If anybody would like it, you can reach out to social media pages. They'll be linked down below in the description. Reach out to me, work out a deal, and get your pairs to you. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, subscribe below. Please click that bell for more fire content. And we'll deal with going on with my channel. Maybe more videos to drop soon, so stay tuned, guys. Peace.